I'm ready to chop these dovetails on the front edge of the side for the dressing table. And there's, as I have explained, there's an angle. You can see that angle here. And so as I chop out these sockets here, I'll pay attention to that angle. So the first step I do is just take a little chip back to that knife cut, marking gauge cut. And remove that little chip. Now I'm ready to come down, but not perpendicular. I have to come down in alignment to this angle. And try to remember what that angle feels like. I've also got that angle on this edge down here, so I can use that to help align my chop. Then I'm ready to take out a bigger chip. Maybe I'll just switch to a 1/4 inch chisel here. Ready to chop again. Notice that I've taken a little chip out of this top edge, or this is actually the bottom edge, because here's the groove for the bottom of the drawer. So I've taken a little chip out of that. That'll help make that a smooth breakout up there at the top. I could probably hit that a little bit harder now that I got a good shoulder. But I'll just take it easy here. This is cherry. Works pretty nice. And I will tend to go a little bit further than halfway through the thickness on this face, and then turn it over to complete the removal. That may be the last chop I need. Well, yeah, I think I'll turn it over and work it from the other side now. Now my chisel has to go on this angle. Again, just taking a little chip out to that cut line, marking gauge line. That gives me a little bit of a shoulder, and then I got to come at about this angle. Okay, knock out a bigger chip. Oops. Yeah, it didn't come out. Oops, that one went. That one went. That one. That one. So it's only this one that needs a little bit more. There it goes. And this one needs another chop. Okay, so these are now and the next step then is to clean out these. There's a little bit of material in there that needs to be knocked out.